Hello, this is Valerie at my Scrap Chick, and today I'm going to be putting together the Reindeer Fry Box. This is a little treat box in the shape of a fry box. And okay, we're going to start with the base, and this base is, these sides are folded, they're score lines. And before we fold this up and seal it, we're going to put the layers on for the face. So the first thing I like to do is, there's 3 layers. There's a white layer, a black layer, and then the front face. And the white layer is behind the black so that it gives you the highlights that'll go into the eyes. And you can do all this without having to draw them on yourself. And if you want to draw them on, you can do that too. So we'll start by adding the black to the white. And there'll be a little bit of a border all the way around. And then we're going to glue this onto here. And I like to put the glue on this piece so that I don't get bits of glue coming through on the front. We'll do that, and then, actually I didn't have to put the glue on the ears, but I did. And then we're just going to put this white piece on. Yeah, you can see I got some glue right in there. And then we'll add this layer to the background. And we'll just line it all up. And then the next step, I'm going to add the antlers on the front. And I'll turn it this way to make sure I get it going the right direction. And then I'll hit the center of his ears. And for these tiny pieces, I have this wonderful tool. These are actually surgical tweezers. But I'll use this to add the inner pieces. And then the next one. Okay, and the next step is I'm going to add his mouth, or the muzzle. And the mouth has been cut out in all the layers here. So I'm going to line this piece up over the top of the mouth. That looks good. Press that down. And then I'm going to add his little nose. Do that right about there. Next is going to be his scarf. And then the added part of his scarf. On this one, I had it going over here. You can actually place it anywhere you like. I'll try it on this side. And then the knot's going to go over the top there. Okay. And then I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to add the layers for the front. And this will come with 4 printable sentiments. We have Dashing Through the Snow, Making Spirits Bright, Sleigh Bells Ring, and Slay the Day. So on this one, oops, I'm going to do Slay the Day. So I'll put this on first. And then I'll put on the message panel. Leaving a slight border all the way around. Okay, and then we're going to close the box up. And what's going to happen is, yeah, I cut an extra chunk out of there. You won't have that. Yours will be all the way closed. But there's these 2 little small flaps, and those are just going to be loose. I'm not worried about gluing those down. So, but I want those flaps on the inside of the box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with one side. And I'm going to line that up. These 2 edges up here will be lined up. And I'll press that down. And then I'm going to do the same over here. And again, I wanted to make sure that that little flap down there is pushed to the inside. And then again, line it up. And next, this is optional. I just thought they're fun to add their little paws. So I'm going to add the hoof. I don't know if you can see this. Let me bring this up close. This lines up right there, and then we'll do this side. Maybe I'll use the tweezers, it might be easier to see. And then I'll just put those on the front of the box. The glue gave out. Hang on. Okay. Now we got the glue flowing again. So you can put it pretty much anywhere along here that you want to. And then again, too, I've added some snowflakes in here. You can put them wherever you like. I think I'll put one up on by his antlers. And so there you have the Reindeer Fry Box. Enjoy. Thanks.